Hey family, good morning, happy Saturday. Welcome back to your girls channel. Now before we get into today's video, I want you all to stop what you're doing and go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, that red subscribe button down there, and turn it into a gray subscribe button, okay y'all? Now let's get into today's video, y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Happy Saturday. I probably said happy Saturday, but happy Saturday, y'all. Today is finally our beach day, y'all. So I just came back from Publix. I got 3 large subs cut up in 4s. I picked up some snacks. I got some Pringles, some rice cakes, some Powerade. I'm gonna throw some water in the cooler with this as well. This is the cooler. Hey y'all, we have finally made it out here to the beach, y'all. It is super duper packed. I was not expecting it to be this packed.
He's packed.
And then
Here we go. Kaylee, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Tyler say, what is this? You want to go in the water?
Oh.
That's right there.
Alright. You can't. You do that one.
Come on. Come on. Let's put your feet in. Let's see how cold it is.
It's 8 days.
Oh, it is cold. Where you going at? You think you slick? Come on. Come on. So 45 minutes later and we are off the beach, y'all. Mainly because I forgot my sunscreen and I ain't trying to get all burnt and crispy, okay? Hey y'all, so we have made it back home, y'all. Everybody done washed up, we done ate. We ended up bringing everything that I had packed up to take to the beach to have a little picnic with. We brought everything back home because all the picnic areas out there, they were just packed. They were just filled with people, so there really wasn't no spots for us to even sit down and eat. So we brought everything home and ate everything here. Y'all, my hair is so disrespectful. I had put some edge control on it and then the gray, Lord, the gray, it got to go. But I had put some edge control and laid my edges down, and 5 minutes to me going outside, it just all puffed up anyway. I got our dirty clothes washing in the washer. Everybody done ate. So yeah, I'm gonna fix me a drink. Probably sit down and watch some more YouTube videos that I need to catch up on, and most likely I'll just go ahead and listen to me some music. But yeah, that's it. That's gonna conclude our day for today. This is just one of many days that we will be going to the beach. I will not be recording each and every time that we do go because it's just a lot. And then another thing, Taylor, y'all in here dragging this cooler around. That's the noise. He in here dragging his cooler around. But anyway, we have a water park also. Now the island that we went to today was St. Simon's Island, but we have a water park on Jekyll Island. It's called Summer Waves. Y'all can look it up here on YouTube. But I will be taking the kids to Summer Waves. We will probably end up going there maybe twice. We'll probably go there twice. But yeah, let me fix my drink. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Me and Taylor, we are getting ready to go to bed. Everyone else is already in their rooms watching TV, on the video games, or whatever. So we are gonna make our way on back into the room. You wanna tell them good night? Tell them good night. Say good night. Say good night. Wait a minute now. You gonna beat me up? Stop. Tell them good night, Taylor. All right, y'all. We're gonna catch y'all in the next video, y'all. Bye for now.